Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. I've got it open in X11, which is a big brother of Home Designer Pro 2020. I don't think I need to share this plan with you, but it's pretty straightforward. I checked this wall, and by opening it up, he said, thank you. I'm going to go to wall types, and it's siding 6, which doesn't make any sense to have siding. I guess you just go over the siding, but it would make more sense to have it be an interior 6 wall. Then there's this sheetrock on on both sides, which doesn't make any sense. But anyway, we won't argue that point. And the other thing I noticed was this little garage that is 0 feet, 0 feet. And that's that room that's actually created between this wall and this wall. This software is very robotic, and that's what that garage 00 means, by the way. If you're curious, I'm going to hit the tab key a few times and then delete that. Now I changed this, and rather than building the framing for all the walls again, I'm just going to click on the wall, and you'll notice here in the edit toolbar, let me drag it off. When you drag it off, you can see that it says edit on it. When you select something, it appears, and when you deselect something, it disappears. There's a command in here that looks like framing right there. Build framing for selected objects. Left click, and as Inspector Clouseau would say, the case is solved. Now you got framing. Now, why it didn't frame it in the first place, I don't know. I'm not a computer programmer. I look for ways to just fix things. I don't worry about why, maybe, Jehovah doesn't like me today or something, but you just keep whacking away at it until and look at these things here, and well, it's out of alignment. I don't know if that's important or not, but this one here was the one you were looking for, okay? Build framing for selected object. And now it has framing in it. And like I say, why it missed in the first place, but rather than rebuild framing for everything, maybe you've done some manual editing and you don't want to redo all that manual editing, then this command is your friend, that one right there. Okay? Put that back where it goes, where it stays usually, and there's that command right there in the usual position. Okay, that's it. Hope this helps you. Your problem was very specific, and I give you a very specific answer. But whatever happens, have a great day.